Alright, we're doing another 60-second option. Here's $500 risk. I just looking at my MetaTrader and it's just looking bullish as could be. So with binary options, you try to get in at the best price. I saw the price skyrocketed up and then down real quick, and it looked like it was trying to recover back up, and it's just looking bullish, so I did the trade. This is 2 pips, 3 pips in the money here. We got 10 seconds left. And oh dear. And 2 seconds, 1 second out of the money. So, as you could see, it's very fast paced. So that was a $500 trade. So we need to get up 200, we'll do $1,000 trade. We need to get into the money. Now we're looking at the pound to yen, and this looks like it's pretty going into a new downtrend, but see, we want to wait till that pops up to enter it if we do lower. So let's try to get in there and hope for a move downward. And if this gets into the money, we will be up 200 through 2 trades. And let's see what happens here. Yep, it did drop down. Wow, it's already 10 pips out of the money. Now it's up, went up 5. We need to stay below this price here. And it's really about just seeing the chart and just giving yourself the best chance to get in the money. And yep, there it drops down even farther. Now it's about 11 pips into the money, 10 pips, 11. We want this to stay in the green. 5 more seconds, 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1, expire, and there's a profit. So there's a $700 profit after a $500 loss. The net is $200 up in 2 minutes of trading. You can only do this with binary options. You gotta find a good broker. This is a demo account I'm using right now. It's on 24 option. You can find their full review at smarthelping.com, and also this video, as well as my YouTube channel. Alright, so there we are, 2,000, or I mean upset 200. We'll refresh that. I feel like doing one more. This is exciting. I like winning. Alright, 60-second. They're the short term. And let's pick an asset. Let's pick USD CHF. What's gonna happen? This looks like it's just falling off. So we're going to go lower, and we're gonna go, I don't know. Let's start back down at 250. Buy that. That way, if we lose it, we only lost a net of $50 through 3 trades. If we win it, we just go up even more. So let's see. That's only a matter of 1 pip. This is 1 pip movement right here. That's not a lot. It's the farthest decimal place over that most brokers will offer. And that's not really much movement at all. Oh, there it goes back down. And I think at the money gives you your money back. But we want it to go lower. Let's see what happens. Oh, now it's up. 2 seconds, 1 second. It looks like it went out of the money. Alright, we're going to do one more. See if we can get back to profitable. Let's get back to the Canadian dollar to yen. Ooh, this looks like it's coming down. It kind of consolidated. We had some big buys there, so we're gonna go positive. We're gonna go 650 risk higher, and we're gonna buy that. Okay, let's see what happens. 60 seconds. There's the break up higher by 2 pips. We're gonna have to have this. Really is, well, if it's out of the money, we're just gonna have to keep going higher. And I'm just doing demo trades with this, but I'm kind of testing out this strategy of increasingly raising the amount of risk you have until you're, making good profit. I did about 5 trades earlier today and was up 2,000. Now, right now, whoa, look at that break upward. That's what, look at that. Now, if you can read the charts, you increase your chances even more of making money. Okay, so that was what? Let's see. Let's go to my account, trade history. Let's look at May 27. Okay, so the last set of trades we just did, what did we do? We lost 7, 8, 9. We lost about 1,150, and then we made 700 plus about 350. So it's about a push. That's like a push. So we can do one more trade to try and get up here. Let's do it on the euro US dollar. And we're looking for another break upward here. So let's go with a $1,200 bet, $2,000 return. The reason why, and we're going higher because it had a big uptrend, then it kind of consolidated out. We're thinking it's going to go higher from here. We're trying to go with the trend. So there's the trade, and we're already in the money by 1 pip on entry. That's a good thing. Now it's a matter of time. 38 seconds, 37, 36. Oh, now it's down at the money. Now it popped up. Oh, back down. 20 seconds. Now it's down. Now it's down a lot. 3 pips. 5, 4. 15 seconds. 14 seconds. 12. Holy crap, it just dropped about 40 pips. That's like the biggest drop I've seen since I started doing this here. Wow. Alright, that's definitely out of the money. Well, we're going to do another one. That was a, what, $1,200 risk. So we're at about a $1,200 gain on the day, including a $2,000 profit earlier. This looks like it's trying to drop down. Whoa, look at that pop. Get a $3,000 risk here on the lower side, and we'll get in. Hopefully, it looks like it's at the higher end of a downtrend, a very short-term downtrend. We'll watch it here. Hopefully, it doesn't pop up. There we go. Whoa, 4 pips in the money. We need just to stay in the green for another 30 seconds. There, it looks like it's staying down. 10, 19, 18, 17. And we're really testing this strategy pretty extensively today. And so far it seems like it's, you know, I mean, this is live trading. If this was real money, we would be making a pretty solid amount. There's our expiry, $2,100 return off a $3,000 initial trade. So let's see, we are now at 53,335. That's about a $3,300 profit on the day. I'll take it.